love birds. I'm a nature
So
girl.
tell me again about the cardinals.
The cardinals, they're all red and only have a yellow beak.
Okay. And what about the other birds?
The other birds, some of them I don't know, but I definitely know an owl because it has all black all over it, even its face, but its nose is yellow. That's just the cardinal.
Okay.
It's only one color.
Okay.
I know about one more bird, a duck. A duck can fly, some of them. A duck is like all brown with all over it, and its tummy is white.
Right.
And so you can't see it underneath the water.
Yeah.
And the part that's on top of it is brown here. And its beak is really big. And it's all yellow.
Right.
And it's so big that no bird can ever get out of it.
Oh.
But ducks don't eat birds, but I don't know what they eat.
Right.
So, and the neck is green.
Right.
Those are boys.
Yeah.
And if the necks if the heads are colorful,
right.
That means they are girls.
Right.
And if the heads aren't colorful,
yeah.
That means if they're green, that means they're a boy all over their head. And the same thing with them, they have a big beak. And they always have like any color neck. I forget the neck.
Right.
Those are all of the birds I know.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Eat your breakfast.
Okay.
Mwah.